Hey guys, my name is Rayon Hudson, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I retouch photos right now. So, yeah, let's get started with the video. So first I go to Jessica Cabasi's Photoshop action, which is the frequency separation. You guys can download that from her website. It's for free actually, so I'll put the link in the description, but you can click the link in the description and then you can click here where it says download the frequency separation action by clicking here. Click this area and then it will automatically download to your computer. So yeah, so I click the action and I play it. So I start with the skin layer and I make a duplicate of the layer, so if I make a mistake then I can delete it and then make another duplicate layer and start over again. So yeah, so what I do with the skin layer is I go to the like Jessica does recommend going to the healing brush, I think, but the clone stamp would probably be better if you're trying to like remove any acne or anything, or like blemishes and stuff. So I'm just gonna use the healing brush. Let me click on the skin layer first so I can actually do it. And yeah, let's do this. So I'm gonna speed this part up because, you know, I don't want y'all to be like looking at the whole thing and it's gonna take up time. So yeah. Okay guys, so I actually clicked the wrong thing. So let's see if this is gonna work. Okay. Yes, it's working. If you guys want to do this like faster, you can use the what do you call it? You guys can use the patch tool, and that'll make it like faster. But we've already like started using the healing brush, so yeah. Jessica does recommend like turning off the texture layer so you can see better, but I don't really think that it's, you know, a better way to edit, to retouch. I think that this is better, so yeah. This is taking kind of like a long time, so I'm gonna just use the patch tool. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, this is like a big improvement right here. Well, kind of sort of a big improvement. So I think this is good so far. Alright guys, so as y'all can see, this is like a big improvement right here. So this is before the retouching, and this is after. But we're not done with the retouching yet. We're gonna like just zoom in a little bit, and I'm gonna like copy this skin copy layer. So now it's skin copy 2, and I'm gonna go to the lasso tool. Yeah, and with this tool, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like circle like a part of his skin that's like the same, shade, and go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and I think this is what's gonna get the skin to be more smooth, I think. But yeah, I learned this technique from a photographer. Hold on, let me just. So I learned this technique from a photographer who also has a YouTube channel. His name is Gerard. His YouTube channel is Gerard Anderson. I'll leave the link to his channel in the description below. But yeah, I'll also leave a link to his Instagram as well, so you guys can go follow him. And yeah, okay, I'm sorry. I keep on thinking that this is the patch tool. And guys, you don't want to do it too strong because it's gonna look weird, so be careful with that. Don't overdo it with the, you know, with the Gaussian blur. Like, don't do over. I wouldn't recommend doing over 10 because it's gonna look weird. So yeah, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So yeah, don't go over 10 because over 10 it looks good like with this part, but like I like to stay under 10 because I like to put it under 10 because I don't want to overdo it. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's I I think that's good right there. Hold on, let me just go and edit this part right here. Alright guys, so that looks pretty much good right there, but I'm just gonna go to the texture layer and I'm gonna um, create a duplicate for that too. But this time we're gonna click um, the add layer mask button, which is right here, and we're going to hold on. We're going to invert that, and yeah. So let me show you guys the difference. So the skin looks, it doesn't look too nice with the texture layer copied, but if you add layer mask and invert it, you go back to the same picture that you just had. So with this one, we're going to go to the erase tool, and what I like to do is I like to make the person's eyes like more bold to make it like stand out a little bit. So let's just do that. So as you guys can see, the eyes are like more like they look more like they stand out a little bit more. So yeah, I'm gonna try it for the teeth and see if that would look good. Okay, let's do a before and after. Okay, so that looks pretty good, but we're gonna lower the opacity for that layer, and yeah, because we don't want it too strong. Alright, so I think that's pretty much good right there. Let's lower the opacity a little bit more. Okay, so with the retouching, let's see the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. So as you guys can see, there's like a big difference right there. So yeah, that's pretty much how I retouch my photos. I haven't started posting on my retouch photos on Instagram, but like I'm starting to get more into retouching in Photoshop because I want to learn how to do it in Photoshop. And yeah, I think I did a good job. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful and if you liked it and if I did a good job. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button if you want to see more of these videos, and click the bell to get notifications for when I upload new videos. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.